Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the Moto G60 so screen capture works reliably. Charge to at least 20% and turn off battery saver. That prevents interruptions. Once done, open Settings and use Search to jump to display or connected devices. This saves time. Make sure Wi-Fi is enabled and the device you will record to is on the same network. This matters if casting or using a remote recorder. Now you're ready for the first actionable step. Enable the Screencast controls. You next enable the actual Screencast control so you can mirror or record. Swipe down twice to reveal quick settings and look for the cast tile. Tap it to list available receivers. If you don't see cast, press edit or the pencil icon and add the tile. That makes it one tap next time. Alternatively, navigate settings connected devices cast for the same option. Once visible, select the target device and grant permissions if prompted, because Android requires your approval to share the screen. You're ready to begin and finish the session cleanly. Tap the target device from the cast list to start casting. To stop, open Quick Settings and tap Stop Casting, simple and immediate. If no receivers show up, reboot your phone and router, and make sure both devices use the same Wi-Fi band because some hardware separates too. 4 and 5 GHz networks. If casting still fails, use a local screen recorder app as a fallback. It records directly on the Moto G60, without network dependencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.